Hey guys, it's Goosey. Welcome to another randomising presets to Grand Champion video. It's been a while since we've done the series, and to be honest, I'm still a little hurt from last season. But we're coming back for vengeance this season. Yeah, no, I say that, but I've done fucked up everything for you guys. I've been playing with my homies, and let's just say it could have gone a lot better. Alright, with that all out the way, let's see what car we get first. Oh, this is new. And I'm back on my grind. A psychic ran my lifeline, told me in my lifetime. Let's get this fucking bread, boys. Come on, boys. Come on. Teammate, why are you doing drifties, mate? Just go for the ball. Oh my god, he's not going to go for the ball again. He's not going to go for it again. No, he does. Brother, if you're staying close to the ball, I'm going to think you're going to...
If you ain't got no poople snoops.
I wanted to give a demo, but I had no boost.
The poople snoops is the fucking...
I'm not going for it, you idiot.
You know what I mean?
Of course you missed that. Alright, we're on. This is where legends are born. 1 goal game, 17 seconds. Just had to instant challenge him, force a bad touch. Good demo here, go for him. Use all my boosts like an idiot. Teammate misses like an idiot. DJ!
Fuck out of here, boy. Get that weak shit out of here.
Not today, son. Oh well, we move on. We move on with life and we get a gizmo.
Bitch!
Okay, teammate just cuts. Go, got the slots.
Man, I'm dead.
Bro just DC'd, what the hell happened there? Great pass, Ghost. Great pass, Ghost. Let's give this ball up, hey, why not?
Skip it up and down up.
Actually fucked with a gizmo that game, I'm not gonna lie, that shit was kinda nice. Damn, we're getting some pretty good presets tonight, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, I'm just gonna go. Well, it fucking works somehow. I don't know how I scored that. Go push. Okay, that... How am I scoring these goals? I just drove.
Oh, nigga!
Good afternoon, this is your captain speaking.
Oh my god, where's that man flipping to? Stall it.
Come here, boy! Nope.
I want to demo him, not fucking just kiss him on the cheek.
You sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Smethwick, Birmingham. If you want the fucking ball, come down Smethwick, ask for Danny G. I'll come out of the house and I'll beg you.
Bro, I think this guy has some boost battles, eh? Holy shit. Oh, you're fucking kidding me, team. You are fucking kidding me.
Suck out my big fat man cheese, bitches! Rah!
You almost missed. Hello and welcome to What Preset Do I Get Next? Let's get straight into it. A. The Fennec. B. The other soccer ball. C. The Volkswagen Golf GTI. Or D. This car, I don't know what it is. Take a good guess here. You can't guess wrong or this random village in Minecraft is gonna get bombed. Right. If you pick D, honestly, if you're still picking D, what are you thinking? This one is just here to make up room. Now, if you picked A or B, this is for you. Congratulations if you guessed C. You saved many lives today and you should be proud of that. Now, let's get back into the games. Yay! This Mabu's full. Don't you ever... It's past him. Should be teammate is... Okay, teammate fake challenges when he has auto boost.
I'm joking! Stop! 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 Stop the break! Stop!
Just, why are none of my teammates going for the thing?
What?
Can just one of you fucking score my passes? Oh my god, please! Oh my... Score that! What?
Oh my fucking...
Woo! What are you kidding me? I'm literally on the wall, you fuckwit! Oh fuck, I got on his way. Alright, sweet. Oh, that's terrible. How did that bump happen? What shot? Yes, come on boys. How do we win that? Now, we are opening 5 Golden Pumpkin 23s. Let's hope we get some awesome painted black markets. First Golden Pumpkin, guys, I'm so excited. I'm really excited. Oh, I'm not so excited anymore. Second Golden Pumpkin here, guys. Oh my god, yeah. This is a very collectible item and I think I like it a lot. Third Golden Pumpkin, guys, come on. Come on. Oh, it's a purple again. What do we get now? Oh my god, I've always wanted these wheels. Fourth one, guys. No look. No look. You've got to be fucking kidding me. Last one. Last one. Okay, come on. Oh, we're looking for demos.
Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Bro, these guys are talking shit to each other. Telling Japanese got 10 points is fucking crazy. Yep. We'll be seeing you, mate. Surely queue again, though. Surely queue again.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
Chapter 2 game, baby! Get amped, boys. Get amped. What a bang.
Get the hell out!
Oh, no. Get him again.
Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck.
This is what I don't get. Like, tonight I'm just getting the ball in the goal. Like, I should not be scoring that. I fucked up. Oh, I should have kept going there. Okay, my head's hurt right now. How the fuck? Replay analysis right here. So, the ball rolls up. Woo backflips. Then, Psycho touches it back into his own net. Alright, me and teammate are doing the same thing.
Lord have mercy.
Alright, my brain's once again hurt. How the fuck does this go in? Replay analysis number 2. Caramel Bob. What happened here? Oh, Woo with a misty, twisty, bleaky, whoopsie doopsie shot there. It was too good for Caramel Bob. We need to win this game. I need to be in Champ 2. Like, these Champ 1 teammates I'm getting are actually hurting my brain. Caramel Bob!
Hi, how are you?
Oh, DC now. Oh. Yep. Man, I'm dead. Nice. Oh my lordy lord. Top earns? No, this game's lame. Oh my god. Okay, my control right now is fucking dog shit.
Nope.
Yeah, I'm missing that.
I am having a very bad day. I am in no mood.
Fake it again. Man, I cannot hit the ball in this car. Let's see if that's our champ too. Get out my way, dingle rascal. Yay.
What's he getting? What's he getting? This is the big question. What's he getting?
That tastes like promotion!
Yeah!